Best Web Hosting Services of 2023. Make sure your website stays up and runs fast by picking a hosting company that promises it will work well and be easy to set up. Bluehost, the fastest web hosting provider. 1. Free domain plus SSL certificate. 2. Powers 2 million websites. 3. 24/7 support. Excellent service 9.7. Visit site. Save up to 65%. Hostinger, scalable web hosting solutions. 1. High-speed performance. 2. Free templates and web builder. 3. Money-back guarantee. Excellent service 9.6. Visit site. HostGator, affordable web hosting solutions. 1. Friendly control panel. 2. High-speed performance. 3. 30-day money-back guarantee. Excellent service 9.6. Visit site. Interserver, inclusive web hosting. 1. Dedicated servers. 2. Speed optimization. 3. Free website migrations. Very good 9.4. Visit site. Green Geeks, eco-friendly web hosting. 1. Free SSL certificate. 2. Unlimited web space. 3. Free nightly backup. Very good 9.3. Visit site. Cloudways, managed web hosting. 1. WordPress hosting. 2. Cloud and VPS hosting. 3. Amazon Web Hosting Solutions. Excellent service 9.6. Visit site. DreamHost, web hosting with purpose. 1. Website hosting. 2. WordPress hosting solutions. 3. Super easy to use hosting. Good 9.4. Visit site. Do you want to grow online? Have a look at the industry-leading website builders. Network Solutions. Design your website by yourself. 1. Powerful website builder. 2. Stock image library. 3. Professional designs. Excellent service 9.8. Visit site. Site 123 user-friendly website designer. 1. Website editor. 2. Custom domains. 3. SEO tools. Very good 9.7. Visit site. What are website hosting services and which is the best for you? Website hosting services are like the land where your website is built. If you have a website, it needs to be on the internet, and hosting services are like the owners who set up your site and keep it working. This way, when people type in your website's address, they can see it. There are different kinds of hosting services for different types of businesses. Some hosting companies do everything for your website, while others just give you the space and tools. You pick a hosting company based on what your business needs and how big it is. How to choose the best web hosting company. If you don't have really good web hosting, it will be hard to make your website work well. There are lots of companies like Bluehost and Hostinger that offer web hosting, and they all want you to choose them. How can you find the best one? Here's what you should think about. Bandwidth. When you're looking for a web hosting service, the first thing to do is figure out how much space and data your website needs. If your website has many pictures, lots of pages, and many visitors, you'll need a good amount of space and data. Some hosting plans offer unlimited space and data, which can be really helpful. Compatibility. Also, think about whether things can work together. When you're excited about finding a website hosting company, you might forget about something important: the kind of computer systems they work with. You wouldn't want to change your computer system, so make sure to check this before you decide on a provider. Reliability. When you're looking for web hosting, it's really important that the service is dependable and always ready to use. The top hosting companies have numbers like 98% or 99% for how often they're available, which is called uptime. This means your website will mostly be up and working. Security. Safety is another very important thing to think about. Picking a web hosting company without finding out about how they keep things safe is a big problem. They should have things like protective walls, doing backups every day, and making sure users are who they say they are. Check out how we pick the top web hosting services in the business. This will help you decide better which one is good for you. Web hosting packages and what they mean to you. When a website becomes really big or has lots of complicated parts, it needs a more advanced setup. There are a couple of main options to think about. Shared hosting. Shared web hosting is like the basic plan that companies such as Bluehost and HostGator are provider. Your website is placed on a server along with lots of other websites. This means you're sharing the server and its resources like memory and processing power. These plans are good if you just need simple things like sending emails, sharing files, or running basic online shops. Shared hosting is the least expensive and is a smart choice for small businesses or new ones. VPS hosting. A virtual private server is like having your own special space, kind of like a private room in a big building. Even though the building is shared, the service makes a separate space just for you. This means you get all the things just for yourself, like storage and power. It's safer and more dependable because your website is kept separate from others, and it's still affordable. Dedicated hosting. Dedicated hosting is like reaching a higher level. You not only get your own special server, but also complete control over it. It's like having your own personal computer in the internet world. You can set it up however you want. This kind of package includes lots of fancy features, but not all businesses need them. WordPress hosting. WordPress hosting is like a special shared hosting for a specific group. The servers are set up in a way that makes WordPress websites work better, with things like faster loading, built-in security, and updates. It's great if your website is made with WordPress. Important things to look for in high-quality web hosting. The quality of hosting depends on many important things you should think about when you're deciding. Some of the most important ones are uptime guarantee. We go into more detail about this later on, and it's really one of the most vital things to consider, so pay close attention. Bluehost stands out for its strong promise of keeping your website online most of the time, with a guarantee of 99.9% uptime. Load time. The speed of your website is really crucial. People nowadays don't wait long, even less patient than a goldfish. If your website takes too much time to show its pages, your business could be in trouble from the start. To keep things going well, make sure your hosting service makes your website load quickly. Customer support. Dealing with problems on your website is serious, so you want to be sure that customer service is there, knows their stuff, and is friendly to work with. We'll talk more about this later on. Location. How fast your website loads and works depends a lot on how many servers there are and where they are placed. Of course, more servers mean quicker service. But the locations of these servers around the world also matter. Look for servers in big places that are near you, like the UK, US, or Germany, depending on where you are. Conclusion. While it might be tempting to quickly choose a web hosting provider and move forward, it's actually better to be patient. This gives you a chance to find a provider that you'll be satisfied with for a long time. Read these reviews to gather a lot of information quickly and easily, so you can make a wise decision. Our top 3 picks. Bluehost. Web hosting. Pros. 1. Excellent customer support. 2. Easy-to-use control panel. 3. Unlimited bandwidth and storage. Cons. 1. Pay for site transfers. 2. Upselling plans. Excellent service 9.7. Visit site. Bluehost is very popular, with over 2 million websites all around the world. It's not surprising when you see what they provide. And you can get help from experts anytime. Also, they promise your money back if you're not happy within 30 days. Hostinger. Web hosting. Pros. 1. Free domain. 2. Free website migration. 3. 24/7 customer support. Cons. 1. Customer support takes long to respond. 2. Replaces cPanel with hPanel. Excellent service 9.5. Visit site. Hostinger is a company that helps people put their websites on the internet. They have a strong system to put your website online, and it doesn't cost a lot. This helps lots of people who want to make a website for the first time or start a new business. HostGator. Web hosting. Pros. 1. Awesome shared hosting. 2. WordPress hosting. 3. VPS hosting. Cons. 1. Many add-on services offered at an extra cost. 2. Renewal prices are higher. Excellent service 9.4. Visit site. HostGator stands out as an outstanding choice for web hosting, providing a wide range of robust features. Among these is an impressive website builder that proves highly valuable for bloggers and small enterprises.